PPT full screen చేసుకో.
Can we start because I have to go?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can start it.
Hi, everyone. So today we are going to present a virtual comparison about Coca-Cola and PepsiCo. There is 500 companies that compete in the similar industry like these two, but these two remains like the dominant soft drink market. They have cultivated markedly different company culture and work environment behind the scenes. So they both doing the same thing, but their culture and work environment is not similar. So over the next 10 minutes, we gonna analyze photographies, reveal how employee dress and interact at Coca-Cola and Pepsi, and also the organizational structure and status symbol, the apparent corporate value and the physical nature of the office space and tools available. We will also unveil two very distinct organisms, one that rigidly preserves like his heritage, which is Coca-Cola, and the other one which is more rapidly through disruption, which next slide. By presentation close, you should walk away with a summary of each company culture and then how Coca-Cola Polish corporate machinery focus on upholding tradition from Pepsi, which is more dynamic and transforming. And also, this is significant because whether a purpose like employee, partner, or investor vibe, more with legacy and change can determine which culture is more successful. Next slide. So basically, here we're gonna talk about the workplace formality. Coca-Cola employee usually wear business attire like suit, tie, dress skirt, pants, which is more formal and professional. There's a little flexibility and there's no ability to express like individually through like how they dress because it's strict. Whereas like Pepsi is more like polo, t-shirt, jeans, sneakers, and it's more casual and informal. There's no strong dress code with Pepsi, and then whereas like the employee have the freedom to dress how they want, with any reason they have. And this clearly mean like the culture emphasize personality, collaboration, and expressing uniqueness over, which is very beneficial to Pepsi. So next slide. So basically, for the last slide is just showing how each company is working in warehouses, how they use their logistic and their experience, which involves like highlighting competency, organizing, managing, and the ability to operate with equipment and coordinating with other people and warehouse management system. Next slide.
Thank you for your introduction, Gana. And now I'm going to say about staff organization. As you can see here, they are arranged according to the different hierarchical classifications. So here is the CEO of the staff organ, like the company, and and as we can see, the CEO conducting the formal presentations before an audience of managers seated by rank in tied corporate board down. This reinforces centralization of decision making power and rigid organizational structures based on title and seniority. And it also conveys an important atmosphere where directives get handled from down to top. So when it comes to PepsiCo, we can see that photo indicates the cross-functional egalitarian collaborations, brainstorming sections where interns freely exchange ideas with senior leaders. The minimal space between the chairs and the interactive nature of these activities support a flattered organizational structures that values good ideas regardless of source or within the position. So anyone can contribute and be heard equally, reducing the emphasis on the status. So when it comes to this, here we can see the status of Coca-Cola, which is according, which is divided into different communications, human resources, research development, etc. So, in essence, Coke CEO presentations within ornate boardroom environment, organizations. So, when it comes to Pepsi, there is an open idea exchange across levels, differentiate such hierarchical to enable to grasp grassroots innovation, creativity, and these choices demonstrate the difference between the formal corporate ladder culture and the dynamic collaborate startup ethos. So my friend is going to continue with these important values to the organization.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sharanya. And I will be continue with the important values to the organization, Coca-Cola. And the imaginary within the offices prioritize showing cases for prestige, legacy, and the success with long-standing and Coca-Cola brand icons. Past achievements and awards co-writing also there is a strong emphasis on maintaining the tradition on corporate days that has been defined the Coca-Cola companies for over a century resistant to changing the formula since the formatted in the and the shifting modern values. The PepsiCo, the spotlight signatures, innovative showing the commitment and the diversities to such and the social responsibilities such as renewable energy projects to reduce the environmental impact and the programs supporting inclusions of the variants, minorities, and the women. This ingrains the progressive ethical ethos, the operations and innovatives, the signaling values and the belief in benefiting the social like society rather than the socially driven profits. In general, Coca-Cola and legacy focus records and the core values centralized around the praising traditions, success, the formula and the been built over the generation. PepsiCo overlapping success walls and utilizing main media to express forward-thinking values prioritization. The responsibility stewardship gradually progress the atmosphere constraints, handling with the social innovations. And the next, can you skip to the next page? Next page. Yeah, and the physical environment support teamwork and collaboration will be continue. My colleague, his name is Abdul.
Hi everyone, my name is Abdul Latif Akhtar. Physical environment support teamwork and collaboration. Coca-Cola से कि आप Coca-Cola से कि mute office space seemed to get to focus a individual head on worked with a enclosed office and meeting closed door in form of a boardroom, the luxury yet environment of a less organized opinion for the team collaboration and company role as remember with a degree level slide second. PepsiCo open wearable space proposal designed to embed to fluid time and creatine and code code invert with the movable factor that can be a reversible basis based on a need apple with a board of real time and brainstorming and available technology tools for virtual collaborate across more team of providing a conf- conference that the environment itself help break down and fraud and uh, change group in and
Thank you, Abdul.
co-
Now I'm going to give a conclusion, which is also a summary. So, Coca-Cola formal business attire hierarchical organizations focus on prestige and legacy, and close to workspaces. So, the continuity, status, and steady leadership from the top to bottom. This perpetuates a traditional company ethos where change happens gradually within proper channels. So, this is my opinion according to me, and the Ram is going to continue the conclusion.
Yeah. So, like the common convenience PepsiCo utilize more casual grabs and fatless organization types and partners on the axis where their personally values, working style, and the creative instinct bends alliance if seeking the embed with the one organization over. But for such global gains, there will be iconic brands like disversing workplace identities and well into the corporate landscape for the foreseeable future. Here I complete this project with my conclusion.